Hello amazing MBC students. Let's go over essay writing. Essays have three parts: an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. Let's start with the introduction. Your introduction should move from general to specific and should clearly outline what direction your essay is going to take. Think of your introduction as a funnel. It starts off broad and then narrows down to a specific focus. Also, try and show some background or contextual knowledge about the essay topic. There are 4 steps to writing an introduction. Step number 1 is to introduce the topic of your essay with a broad, orientating statement that is linked to the question. Then, you want to introduce the text and the author. You can also briefly outline the relevant context, content, and themes of the text. Remember to underline or italicise the text title of large or major works and to put quotation marks around smaller or shorter works. You then want to introduce the specific techniques or ideas that you will discuss in the order of their appearance, and then state their effects. Finally, you want to link these ideas and/or techniques in a thesis statement that you will then defend throughout your entire essay. The body of your essay consists of paragraphs. Each paragraph is a building block in the construction of your argument. If the question that you are answering has more than one part, structure the body of your essay into sections that deal with each part clearly. There are 4 steps to writing your body paragraphs. Step 1 is to state exactly what you intend to prove in this paragraph, making reference to an idea and/or a device or convention and its effect. Make sure that your point is relevant to the question. You then need to introduce an example from the text that utilises a technique that you can explore. You then need to explain the effect of your example. What does it achieve? How does it achieve this? How is it relevant to the point of this paragraph? Lastly, you need to link the proven point back to your main thesis. Clearly explain its relevance to your central argument. Your conclusion is the inverse of your introduction and should move from specific to general. Never introduce new information or ideas in your conclusion. The purpose of a conclusion is to summarise and reinforce your ideas only. There are 4 steps to writing a conclusion. Step 1 is to restate your thesis in affirmative terms, using different language to your introduction. Try and think of some synonyms of key words that you could use. You then need to write sentence summaries of each body paragraph, stating the idea and/or technique explored and its effect. You then want to follow this with a broad, conclusive statement that ties the central idea together. Ensure that this links to the essay prompt or essay question. You then want to finish your essay with a really strong or thought-provoking comment that links your argument to a much broader social or cultural context. Make sure that you also leave some time to proofread your work. Does your essay make sense? Check your grammar, check your spelling, and up-level your vocabulary, openers, and transitions. Essays can be easy, but practice makes perfect, so make sure that you practice regularly. Thank you for listening. I'm really looking forward to some awesome essays from you all.